lights for the garden from Amazon. I've read the reviews about them, some negatives, some positives, a lot more positive out of 1,160 odd views on them. I'm just going to show you. We've got quite a few all the way along the fence, all the way along now. There's 100 bulbs in that, and what I've done, I'm not one for keep switching buttons and switches on and off. I'm lazy, so what I've done is I've connected them to Alexa. So watch. Alexa, garden lights on. So each one of these, now what we've done is we bought 50 meters, which with 50 bulbs on, and we've bought two 25 meters with 25 bulbs on each one. So they are interlinkable. So if you wanted more, you can have more on it as well. So what we've done is, goes along here, this is the 25 one, and it connects on that bit there. That just screws in and it seals it. And if you go down to the bottom one, each one of them is 1 watt LED bulb, and that's the next one, connects in. At the end of the row, if I want to connect more, I could do. This is what it has. It has a little cap on the end which is sealed. That's sealed, that. So each bulb is 1 watt. So, like I said, we've got them all connected up to the Alexa to make it a lot easier for us. So that's what we've done. So like I said, I will come back to you later on tonight when it goes darker, and I will put the link on below in the comments, well, in the notes, let you know where we got them from and the link to them. The other thing you don't get, you get 3 spare fuses, 3 amp fuses, but you don't get any spare bulbs. But if you go for the 1 watt LED, it's warm white. That's what these are, warm white. And for 6 of them, it's £6.99. So I think you can get 25 for 19 quid. So it might, if you've got that many, like we've got here, you might be better off with the 25 bulbs. But yeah, a good buy. I'll see you when it goes dark. Right, we're back outside now with the lights on. So it's not quite dark yet, but I'll show you. Behind me, so that's it now with the lights on. Just show you the bulb so you can see they are LED bulbs. Might flicker a little bit with the camera, but you can see how well it's lit everywhere up. And I'll come back out again when it goes a bit more darker. So see you back in a minute. Alexa, garden lights on.
Okay.
So that is all the garden lights on now, and I don't think we're going to get much darker than this anyway, so as you can see what they look like. Oh. So I will put a link up so you can see where I got them from. Like I say, I did two 25s foot ones with 25 bulbs on each one, and then I did a 50-foot one with 50 bulbs on. Just give you some idea, they're 4 foot wide and you're getting 7 bulbs on a loop, so at least you know what you get. It's quite bright at this end it is anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Bye for now.